I've been asked a lot recently about Gab Pro and the benefits of becoming a pro member. Gab has released a new website. It's pro.gab.com. And here's some of the benefits of being a pro member. You get the ability to become verified, where you can get a check mark by your name. Being a pro member also allows you to create groups. You can upload larger videos. I believe the limitation as a non-pro user is 40 megabytes, but as a pro user, you can upload up to 1 gig, and you won't have any ads. There's 3 different pricing plans available. We'll just scroll up and take a peek at it. When I signed up for the 1 year, but you could get better bang for your buck if you do the 5-year plan or the Lifetime Patriot. It's up to you. We'll go through this real quick. I'll select the purchase of $60. Now we have an option to log into Gab here. I'm going to authorize this. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to fill out the information. So we'll put your first name, your last name, your handle. This can be found if you're in Gab and you go to your profile. We can see that right here. So I'm just going to go back and it matches. You'll type in your email address. Recently, Gab has begun to accept credit cards, so you no longer have to send in a check. You could use a credit card, e-check, or Bitcoin. Then you'll just continue to fill out the information and proceed like you would any other online transaction. Gab has recently updated their merch store as well. This can be accessed by the homepage. So we're at Gab and we're logged in. If I scroll down just beneath my vitals, we'll go to store. And then here we have an option to buy merchandise, or we can even donate. I've recently donated. I did the $10 option. So we'll just select the one that we want, click add to cart, and now we can proceed to checkout. We can see what's in the cart, and we'll just click next to continue. We'll select our method of payment. In this case, I'm going to select credit card, click next. Then you fill out your vital information and proceed to complete the transaction.